Okay, so what I've done here, I had previously, before I started the screencast, sent a message out on Twitter to some friends of mine in reference to just sending me emails that just say test or anything they want it to say. And so a couple of people answered back, so I'd like to thank them now, Rebecca, April, and Eggsy Mama. And what I wanted to do here is just go into my email because I don't want their email addresses to get out on the internet. So I'm just going to go into my email right now. But you have a lot of information here. So what I've done is I sent information directly from my Gmail account into this new email box that I have. And what the system has done is it has downloaded that information directly into this mail client and given me the email in front of me. Now, I have a lot of different options here on the Thunderbird that you just normally don't get with Outlook. You normally will get things like, get mail, and you can write a new message, and you can add information to your address book. But the reply and the reply all and the forward, you always have those in all mail clients normally. Tag, this is something that's new that I haven't really gotten too familiar with, but I can tag this message. And how they've done tagged is as Outlook would normally do as flagged. So what they've done here is you tag the message as important, work related, personal, to do, or later. So I'm just going to call this one personal. And so it puts a little green personal tag to it. Now, if we had a problem here, I can mark this as junk. And the good thing about Thunderbird is that it has a pretty good junk email filter. And then I could print out the email if I needed to. Now, I've got a lot more information here that I can deal with a lot of things here in reference to add-ons and things like that. But I just wanted to go ahead and give you a gist of information here. And if I wanted to, if I click on this from where I sent the message directly from, when I click it, I have options here. I can add to the address book, so I can automatically add myself to the address book as a new entry. I can compose mail to the person that I just clicked on in the from section. I can copy the email address, just copy it kind of in the background where you can paste it anywhere you want, or create a filter. So all I'm going to do today is just give you a little bit of information about Thunderbird and just show you that you can use this as a mail client. And so I'm going to go ahead and add this to the address book. And at that point it brings up my address book and I can add it to, I've got a personal address book and I've got collected addresses. And that's just the way that they kind of format their system. But here I can go in and I can put my information in for my first name, my last name. Normally I go by J Money on the internet a lot. And here's my email address. I can put in another alternative email address and even a screen name. So then I can put in more information in reference to work phone and things like that. I can put in physical address for work or home, and I've got other information that I can customize. That's the norm when you're dealing with email clients. So here, if we go up to some of the settings here, I have where I can go in and I can check to go offline if I want to and take my messages offline. I can empty the trash. I can compact folders. Since the mail is so new, I don't need to compact. I've got a section here for deleting messages and things like that. More messages. I'm going to go ahead and choose to write a new message. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use my Gmail account. And if you notice, it's already using, when I put that information into the address book, it's already using the information here. So if I start typing the, THE, it automatically knows that's probably what I want to choose. And so if I click on that, it automatically adds it. Says hello back. Just another test. And so I'm going to go ahead and send that. So now my message probably failed because I haven't authenticated properly to get my messages out. And that's just some settings that I need to go back and check on, which I'm not going to be able to do in this screencast. But I just wanted to show you guys some information about it. And I thank all of you who did send me, the 3 of you who did send me messages on this. So I appreciate it. Thank you very much, and good day.